Tina Marie with True Meaning of Radiance. If you're not subscribed to the channel right now is the time to subscribe. Make sure your notification bell's on. So anytime I upload in this thing, you are alerted. So today we are doing the controversial, okay, very controversial, Essential Mist from Airwick. Yes, it looks just like this. And the thing is, it's a TikTok hack. So basically, you're supposed to take this starter kit and you pair it with your Bath & Body Works Wallflower, and bam, you got scent that lasts like a long time, but it uses these quickly. But for people like me that have a lot of Wallflower refills, this might not be such a bad idea. The controversy does lie in the fact that if you keep these down low, because the oil will spill out and go out, that you can actually harm your pets. So you don't want to have this low if you try this hack and use it on an everyday basis, because you don't want to cause any harm to your pets. Like you just don't. Those are your pets. Those are part of your family. And also, like, the oil can get different places and like cause buildup or stain walls and stuff like that. So there are cons to this, but I want to try it out just to see if it works. It does go for $9.99. And the cool thing is Airwick is in the Fetch rewards. So when I got mine, I actually got additional points back with my Fetch. Yeah. That will get me closer to another gift card just by buying this bad boy for $9.99. So definitely make sure you're checking out Fetch. All the information for them will be below. Of course, you hear kids, because what? I got kids. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the voiceover so it can get a little bit quieter. So this can be purchased at Walmart, you know, anywhere they have the Airwicks. Like I got mine at Target and Walmart actually, because I had two. We'll talk about the other one. But this is what they look like, as just comparing the Wallflower to the Airwick one. The one from Bath & Body Works is taller, and as you can see, the wick is a lot longer as well. This is what the Airwick thing looks like. It does come in white as well for the tall one, because for this hack, you do need the tall one, not the short one, because there is a short one out there as well. And the batteries come with. That is such a nice little treat, a nice little extra, because batteries can get costly. And you can go to the Dollar Tree, of course, get them cheaper, but batteries do cost some coin. Go ahead and insert the batteries in one by one. When you got longer nails, it does take a little bit longer. I'm sorry, y'all. These nails sometimes is a good idea, then sometimes I'll be like, woo, what was I thinking? Because they make things hard. But anyway, all of them are in, and that's the front of it, and that's where you're going to put the Wallflower refill, and you'll hear it click. You'll hear that click sound. When you hear that click, you know it's in properly. I had to figure it out. I was like, what is going on here? But then boom, there it went with the click sound, and that's how you know it's on properly. You just put the top back on it, and then you go ahead and turn it around. Tina, get it together, turn it, girl. There you go. And then you'll see that the blue light comes on. That lets you know that it's about to dispense a smell, but you have to have it the right way up. There we go. Yes, yes, yes. And that open sky is just going, and it's going, and it's smelling good. You see me just getting a whiff of that aroma, and I'm like, yeah, y'all. So that's what it looks like. You can change the different temperatures. Now let's talk about the one you don't want to get, okay? Now, I don't know if they're coming up with this new design so people can stop using the Bath & Body Works things and buy their refillers. So did they switch to the shorter one because of that? I don't know, but I bought this one by accident, and the Bath & Body Works ones do not fit into the shorter one, but it does give off a really nice smell. So I can still give it credit for that. It does give off a nice smell with this one. And with this one right here, I actually do keep this one in my entryway. So when I first come in the house, or anyone first comes in, boom, this is the little setup that they see, and they'll lead them up the stairs if they're going up the stairs, or down the stairs if they're going down the stairs. This is actually where I ended up putting the new one that I got that has the open sky in it. I just ended up putting it right here. I thought it looked really cute, and it went with the sign that says blessed because the lettering is in black. Now, if you follow my Candle News Network, shameless plug, yes, Candle News Network, Wallflowers are $3.50 today. So you can get the Wallflowers for $3.50, apply a 20% off coupon, get one of these bad boys instead of buying the Bath & Body Works plugins, because they go for $12.99, $14.95. I mean, they do have some that's like in the $6 range, but you know, there's nothing extra to them. But at the same time, with these ones with Airwick, there's nothing extra and spicy about them. They're very basic. So you know? So it just depends on how you see that in your mind. But I would recommend going for scents like limoncello, cotton scents, the new line that they have out with all the different cottons, because it's an online exclusive. That's a pretty cool one that you might want to try out. So those are the ones I go for. Mahogany teakwood, high intensity. Those kind of scents are the ones I go for. Mahogany teakwood, y'all know I keep in my garage. Those are just a few of my recommendations for the sale. You could pick whatever you like, you know what I mean? Especially if you get that Airwick thing, because the smell is going to be out of this world. I'm telling you right now, that open sky is bumping up in the living room. You can smell it. It is strong. Like, I love this hack. I think this hack is actually pretty cool. So I am going to be ordering a few more Wallflowers today. I already told you I was going to do it anyway, but just knowing that they're going to be bumping is like, yeah. So if you were thinking about trying the hack, I think it's really good, and this is now the time to get your Wallflowers so you can do the hack. I don't know how much the Airwick refill ones are, but the ones for Bath and Body Works being $3.50 to me is a good idea. Now I'm thinking Bath and Body Works knows all about this hack, which they probably do, so that's why now they're coming out with an increased intensity. Select Wallflowers will have an increased heightened smell with them. I will be testing them out, so I'll let you know if that's a fact, if that really does work, and if they're really increased with the intensity. So we'll find that out soon, so be looking out for that, because I have to haul everything, and then of course I'll bring some reviews. I probably will talk about it on TikTok and Instagram first, so definitely follow me, TMR2886, on those handles, because while I'm testing stuff, I just might put out little snippets and little videos, you know what I mean? Now Bath and Body Works also, they've been offering this for about a year now, is the adjustable scents. So basically it has different levels of intensity with your Wallflowers, so you can have low, medium, high. I do use these in my bathroom, like my bathroom upstairs. I have one because it kind of matches my bathroom color, and I can tell you when it's on high, and it does what it needs to do. But it's still not as good as that Airwick one, and the Airwick one is cheaper. You know what I mean? That Airwick one is blowing that Bath and Body Works one out the water. And I'm sorry, Bath and Body Works, to say that, but I mean, I've only been having it going for a little bit, and it's doing a lot better as far as smelling up a whole room, like a whole big room. So I need to know y'all thoughts. What do y'all think about this? Do you think this is a good hack? Have you tried it? What are your thoughts on it? Is it working for you? Is it not? And that's all I got. So if you're not subscribed, again, subscribe to the channel. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.